Hello everyone, welcome to Seametal channel again. Nice meeting you today. And today I'm going to show you a different car seat cover, and it is not made of leather, but made of very soft and velvet. And you see here, when you touch it, it's soft. And with heart shape, I think it's best for ladies' choice. And on its back, it's similar and with anti-slip silicone particles design. It can play a good role fixing. And when you drive, when you use it, it will not fall off, but stay in the place on the seats. And on the front, and we see the same have a pocket design. And you can put any small stuff like your mobile phone, cards, and keys into this pocket. And it can well organize your car. And you see, and for this, it's also very special, and it's with a small waist shape. So you can call it a small waist design. And this is for the front seat. And it's very easy to install. Here we have buckles for the head rest, and this is for the front seat. You just need to insert these 2 or 4 buckles in the seat gap, front seat gap, and it is like this. And for this one, we also have a set for the rear seat, and you see it's same. Okay, it's similar, and this one. Okay, the length is around 135 centimeters. It's universal for all kinds of cars, trucks, or vans, and this is for waist or back part. And we got 2 here, and we'll show you the whole effect in the car later. So the car seat cover can well protect your car seat or cover up the existing cracks or stains on the seats, and also can upgrade your car look. And okay, for this product we have many colors, as you see here, the pink, light pink, and black, and also pink rose, and green. And we also have other nice color, like this is khaki color, and this dark gray color, and this for the back seat, black color. And we'll spend some minutes in the car to install them and show you how to install and how they look like. And so now let's go out and see. Hi everyone, we are outside with the car now. We are going to show you how to install this car seat cover. Serial number is C40028. It's easy for you to find it in our Seametal.co.com website. Okay, and first I have these 2 fasteners installed. It's easy to install these 2 under the car seat gap and insert it. It's quite easy. Okay, as on the back, it's an anti-slip silicone particle, so don't worry, it will fall off. It stays very well with the car seat. So you can see there is an extra pocket here, so you can put your mobile phone into that. It's nice. Okay, and there is a pad for your back. So first you can insert these 2 into the cap, and you see there is a part for handrest. So, but there is 2, buckles. Okay, and easy to do. Okay, so please adjust it at the best place. So you see the design is quite nice, weight shaped, and it feels very comfortable. And this is the whole effect of things after installation. So you see the installation for the rear seats are also very easy, and this is the whole look. So you can put your mobile phone and other small stuff into this extra pocket. It's safe here. Yes, and you see, and this car seat can be used in 4 seasons, and whether you use in winter, it's warm, and you can use it in summer too. When you use aircon in the car, it's also warm and nice, and give you quite a good feeling of driving. Okay, and thank you very much for watching. If you like my introduction, and please support us, send us a thumb up, and subscribe our channel, and we'll bring more Seametal products to you. Thank you.